Yo, what is up, guys? I'm so happy because let's just say something came into my life. So, I know what this is. You guys don't. Well, I'm pretty sure I know what this is. So, yeah. I'm just going to use some scissors. Okay, I forgot I don't have scissors, so I'll just rip it open, you know. I'm super excited. This is them. And this is them. Yep. Okay. Guys, what just happened? Okay. Thought there was going to be more than one. Well, one of them arrived. It is a fidget spinner. It's pretty cool, but it said there was other ones coming. I thought it was going to be my favorite one ever, but I mean, it is pretty nice. But where's the other ones? Dude, this was $10. I mean, I'm not lying. This looks cool, but the way it wobbles and jingles, it just doesn't seem worth the price. You just tighten it up, but okay, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this very weird video, and I guess don't forget to like and subscribe, and peace.